What's Jake doing back there? Damn kids. So we decided to turn around. We're gonna go adventure in the Jeep. None of this walking stuff. We walked, we got our funzercise. Now we're off to go adventure, so stay tuned. We're gonna check out this trail here for just a second. We kind of turned into a little four-wheeler trail. Well, I've seen enough videos here to know that we're gonna probably turn around, go up the other trail, because this little four-wheeler trail is okay, but we're just gonna turn around. I think that's for the better. But I want to come up here on a motorcycle or something. Looks pretty dope. But we're not fitting on the trail very good. So I think we're gonna turn around. Stay tuned. We'll go hit another little spot probably. So yeah, pretty sure we can just turn around right here. So yeah. We got stuff falling in us. Fine needles. Venturing with handbrake Jake. Gotta go a little faster. as far as filming goes. We're going to turn around and go back. Kids are kind of bored, but we've got this trail that kind of, it looks like it kind of goes up way over there. One of these days we're gonna come back and go up that trail. I've never been up here, but I think this is obviously some other trails on this side of the range, and we came up from that side of the range. So here we are, out adventuring, having some fun. Stay tuned if you want for some extra outro footage, because I'm probably gonna keep filming, but that's gonna be the end of me talking. So the rest of the footage from here on out is basically just gonna be B-roll footage. I'll put some music to it. If you want to enjoy some cool footage, you can enjoy some cool footage. Let's walk over here real quick. Let's interview Jake today. Jake, how was your day today?
It was fantastic, and is still going to be fantastic.
Why?
We're outside. Jeeping.
Jeeping. We're having some fun jeeping. We are jeepers.
Exploring places we've never been before.
Yes,
Kinda.
We've never been on this road before, and it's literally right in our backyard.
Yeah.
And so we've
look,
got
it
this.
probably goes all the way up there.
Yeah, that's
too.
what I was saying. Yeah, that's what I was pointing at. Like, yeah.
Do you think that comes back down over
somewhere.
into the mines, kind of?
Somewhere. I've never been up there. Stay tuned. We're gonna go on another adventure, and we are going up. Let's see. We're gonna go up that road because it goes somewhere up there. But we're going to take. I don't know how the roads are. I'm sure they're fine, but we're gonna go up there one of these days and we're gonna check it out because we can. Adventure.
And it's fun.
Yeah. Oh man, hold on. Wait, let's look at this view. So look at this. Woo, that's a beautiful view right there between the two. But look. Look how pretty this is. Oh man, it's just so green and pretty. Oh, we got a little swimming hole down here. But yeah, that is very beautiful. So smile every day, have fun, get out and enjoy life. Life is short. Go enjoy it. Go buy a few things. Work hard. I mean, obviously work hard. You want to earn some money, go buy stuff, but freedom. We got so much freedom here. Just enjoy it. Get outside. Enjoy nature. What's up, Toots? You want to go home?
Yeah.
Why? She's hungry. I'm kind of hungry too. So anyways, that's it. Peace out. Smile. Smile every morning. Every morning. Be grateful for the life that you have. Yes. Be very grateful for life in general. Peace.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way